Hey everyone, Joe from Skool Growth Lab here. Just wanted to share the latest update in the Skool Growth Hub. This is for all members in the school group to help them grow their communities and get more engagement in their groups. This is using 3 of our core tools to help you generate growth. It's under our quick win track. We have several growth tracks out there, all designed to help you grow your school community. And here's the demo. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll go ahead and respond. Hey everyone, Joe here. Just wanted to share something real quick with you. So you may have noticed now the navigation is much cleaner. We have these different parent folders. This one here, Growth Hub, is going to take you to the tools. But a much easier way to get familiar with the tools if you're just starting out with the application is to go to tracks. And each one of these tracks is going to help you achieve whatever that is for that track. So this is if you're launching a new group. This is if you want more engagement. This is a quick win track. So this only takes 15 minutes to do the entire track. So if I click on this, and I already done this. So if I click on this and it shows me the steps that I need to get my first quick win. So I'm going to use the Niche Clarity Analyzer. This tells you more about what that tool is and what it does and how it helps you. And then when you're ready, you would launch the tool, which will take you directly into that tool so that you can use it. And once you complete that, you would come back here. It will redirect you back here and you will hit Mark Complete. That's going to move you to the next part of the track. And in this case, it's the Post Builder. So this is what the Post Builder does, how it helps you. You're going to launch that. You're going to build your first post. When you're done, you're going to come back here and mark that complete. And the very last one in the quick wins is the poll generator. You're going to launch that one, do it, and then mark complete. And then you're going to have your first win. You can at this point go to a different track. You can go back to all tracks. These are designed to make it a lot easier to use the tools so that you're not confused as to what should I do next for whatever my goal is to achieve. So check out these tracks, check out the quick win track if you haven't already, and let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the lab.